Hi class. I am trying for the first time recording a video on what's called Photo Booth. I have a Mac and I'm in my home office. And what I thought I'd do is kind of take you through an example of ways to import images, ways to bring in titles. So I'm creating a raw video first, and then I'm going to take this into iMovie and I'm going to include some things. For instance, this. What this is this is an image that I did a capture on of a Microsoft Word document that describes the hydraulics project that you're going to be doing this semester. We decided that we're going to do a video. Normally we do a presentation, but I thought let's take advantage of some of the technology that you have access to. So each of you is going to be in a group, and it's probably going to be groups of 3, and you're going to have an assigned topic, and I'll provide those assigned topics right here. So as you can see, some of you, whoever ends up being group 1, will get DP flow meters. DP flow meters are differential pressure flow meters, like a Venturi tube or something like that. You're going to follow these bullets. Consider them like a checklist. Within your video, you're going to describe the basic elements of a differential pressure flow meter, different types, and their applications. So I gave you one, Venturi tube. And its application, well, you can tell me. Are there commercial applications, industrial applications, residential? Then you're going to show how it works, and you can capture a video, which I will do. I'm not sure how to do that yet, but let's say I figured it out, and I showed you one right here. I'm going to assume that worked. And so then I brought in a video, and then I'm going to review important principles to understand the exam questions that you are going to create. Okay, so here again is the summary of the project. So you're going to create a 10-minute video to show the class, and that's going to be the day that your videos due. And all videos, I guess, will be due the same day. You will give me the video, and we'll play it over the projector. You will provide a single-page handout to the entire class, meaning you will create one page. You will make at least 16 copies, one for me and the rest of the class, if the class size still stays the same. And that video, or the handout that you will provide, will show the following things. Okay. The one-page handout includes a header with the assigned topic, course name, number, instructor, semester, group number, and members. You're going to show Bernoulli's equation. We've talked about Bernoulli's equation, which is an equation of hydraulic energy. And you're going to show us, how the equation and the theory applies. Some of you will have some things like electromagnetic and ultrasonic flow meters, and you're going to realize, oh, well, we don't really have a Bernoulli type of project. This is using different kinds of laws, Faraday's laws, other applications from physics that will dictate how this flow meter is used, and a little bit of research will show you that. So it says show Bernoulli's equation theory or other governing equations theories that if Bernoulli's doesn't apply. Okay? You will create a summary table, and honestly, this summary table will be one of the first things you will do with this project. You will describe the basic elements of the project, the types of whatever your project is. If it's flow meters, if it's a water hammer or a siphon, those are phenomena that I want you to look at. Centrifugal pumps, positive displacement pumps. So you will provide different types and include pictures in the table. You know how to do that. Make a table but have a picture within the cell of the table. You will also indicate what the applications are for each of these different types. Okay? And then you'll summarize in bullets on this handout important things to understand for exam questions. Those exam questions that you create, you will not explicitly state them in your video, but you will provide all the information that would be needed to answer those questions, and then I'm going to select the questions I like, and I'm going to import them into the video. Okay? And you will show the answer to the question in the separate submittal that you will provide to me. So the document that you will get, the assignment sheet, will spell this out quite well, and I've showed you a few clips from these. Yeah, so maybe we'll close this video with, I'll create a bibliography, and I will create that in iMovie, and it will begin scrolling now. And it doesn't have to scroll, it can just be a list, but make sure that you space things out nicely within your video and that it plays well. The best videos I'm going to share with the entire department, and I think that'll be pretty fun. So the bibliography is showing, yeah. Anyway, yeah, I may add more to this video later, and you may notice that I elected to have a very artistic sepia tone, and that's a stylistic decision. So, anyway, have fun with this. The due dates and all the important information will be on Brightspace as usual, and yeah, here we go.
Same sun shines on everyone.